Hello, my name is Sung Kim, advisor of Gangnam Labor Law Firm. Today with Labor Attorney Jung Bo-soo, we will cover a court ruling case regarding quite a serious accident and fire that was happened last year in 2024 in June. So this is the first court ruling about the serious accident compensation regarding. So could you explain the background story first, please?
Hello, how are you today? This is Bong Soo-jung, Korean labor attorney. Regarding serious accident case, so we Korean government focused on prevention of some serious accident industry. So we this Serious Accident Punishment Act was implemented starting 2021. So it is fully implemented starting 2024. Then after this law was implemented, one serious accident was occurred on June 24, 2024. Then 23 people were killed at the Aricell battery company. Then there was a fire in that factory and caused 23 people deaths in this accident case. So this is actually first case after this law was implemented. So when the company have a serious accident, it used to be punished by Industrial Safety and Health Act. However, with such a punishment, it was not strong enough. So this new law was enacted, named the Serious Accident Punishment Act. So when there is a serious accident, so punishment is the employee will be imprisoned up to 15, imprisoned more than 1 year. Also punished with a cash fine up to 1 billion Korean won. So regarding this Aricell accident case, 23 people were killed during this serious accident. So because of this accident, the court decided, they made a verdict yesterday. So it was one of the serious punishment. So the chairman of this Aricell company and representative director of this company were each imprisoned for 15 years respectively. Also the corporation would be fined with the 800 million Korean won. So it was the one of the most serious punishment we have regarding the Serious Accident Punishment Act. Yeah. So actually this is very shocking news to the industry. So we have a lot of serious accident cases, but government enacted such a very strong law to prevent any serious accident. So in industrial the area, especially plant or the construction site, there had been always a serious accident. In this law provides some conditional punishment when employer made every effort to avoid such the serious accident through safety measure and health measure. Then they'll be exempt from the punishment, because the employer did their best to prevent them, but still such an accident happened, then employer would be considered as exceptional some punishment. Yeah. So in any way, this the severe punishment showed a strong message to the public and many some workplaces. So employers should make a special effort in order to not to be punished. So I think preventive activities such like industrial safety and health measures, they are very important. So then when companies showed such a effort to avoid such a accident, then those behavior are regarded as some ways to avoid any such a big punishment. So based on companies' effort, judges considered the severity of punishment. Yeah.
So this is a very serious case, I believe, and as you said, the fine was 800 million won and imprisonment of 15 years, which is very severe punishment. And you have said that if they have taken the safety measure, industrial safety measure, is it including the industrial accident compensation insurance? Such as
yes, it is a little different. Yeah, company. I think usually, yes, I think basically the industrial accident compensation usually is decided based on the fixed amount, like when employee were killed, then there is a survivor's benefit. Is a survivor's benefit that is 1,300 days times daily average wage. So it can be a lump sum payment. Also, there are funeral expenses supported in this compensation. So then funeral expenses and survivor's benefit, they are the amount that usually surviving family will receive. But also they can claim, they can expect more compensation through civil claim, like company neglect to provide a safe working environment. Also they didn't follow safety rule, then company will be charged more for their penalty. Also consolation, the money should be also considered for this process. So nowadays when employer will be punished for the serious accident, so in such a case, when the victim's surviving family, they agreed with the employer for peaceful settlement for this case, then the court consider this one positive one. So this is we call criminal settlement, and criminal punishment settlement with the victim family. Yeah. So in summary, the victim employee is qualified for the industrial accident compensation insurance based benefit, also civil benefit and criminal benefit through negotiation with the employer. Yeah.
And especially if they were manufacturing batteries, it's a very sometimes it's an explosive item. So it is very wrongdoing, or from the employer's point of view, he should have prepared the safety measures. So now, I mean, he must have lost his business and also should maybe taking risk of imprisonment and big fine. So I think it will give alert to many similar cases and
So good point from the punishment for industrial the serious accident. So then employee will try to prevent such cases from occurring. So then it will help to protect some workers, like their health or workers' safety. So I think it's a good point. So company will put more investment, more money for safety measure. I think it's very good point. Also, negative point is cost of construction, cost of production will be very increased. So safety cost should be included together when employer decide the amount of their product. I mean the expenses of how much they charge their product when they sell those product to the outside or construction side. To think of safety measure, then it will take a longer period for build and complete the building project. So, but I think safety measure should be very important nowadays. Also, always not nowadays, but every period. So I think this law is now required when Korea become an advanced country. Must provide safe working environment for everybody. Yeah.
I see. Since this is the first lower court ruling, we have to look forward about the final Supreme Court ruling, whether this penalty and punishment will be maintained or the imprisonment will be, the year will be reduced and also the fine.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I fully agree. Yeah, so nowadays is very changing time for the market. So I think before company expect such a serious accident, I think the company should show the effort to prevent such a serious accident. Also, they should equip the safety equipment for protecting those workers in the site. Yeah.
I see. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you for watching. Okay, bye bye.